Parking lot accidents seem small. That's why people often make big mistakes after them. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and I want to talk about something that happens all the time. Somebody backs into your car in a parking lot, or you come back and find damage that wasn't there before. A lot of drivers look at that kind of accident and think, well, at least it wasn't on the freeway, at least it wasn't serious. But parking lot accidents create a different kind of problem. Because they look minor, people tend to get casual, and that is where trouble starts. Let's say you walk out of a grocery store and see a dent on your rear quarter panel and damage on the bumper. Maybe the other driver is still there. Maybe they say, it's not that bad, let's not make a big thing out of it. That moment matters. What most drivers forget is that once the moment passes, so does a lot of your protection. They forget to take enough photos. They forget to get complete information. They forget to document exactly where it happened. And they definitely forget that what looks like a simple parking lot bump can still affect more than the paint. That bumper cover might be cracked. The bracket behind it might be damaged. The panel alignment might be off. Sensors can be affected. Fasteners can break. Sometimes what looks minor on the outside turns into a more involved repair once the vehicle is properly inspected. Another thing people forget is timing. They tell themselves they will deal with it later. Then a few days go by, then a week. Now the details are fuzzy, the photos are incomplete, the stress has grown, and what should have been a simple process becomes more frustrating than it needed to be. Here's the better way to handle it. First, pause and document everything. Second, collect the other driver's information if they are present. Third, avoid making assumptions about the damage. And fourth, get the car looked at by a professional shop that will explain what they see in plain language. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we understand that most customers are not experts in collision repair. They should not have to be. Our job is to look deeper than the surface damage and help people understand what happened, what needs attention, and what their options are. A parking lot accident may not feel dramatic, but it can still create real repair issues, real inconvenience, and real expense if it is handled carelessly. So the next time you think it's just a parking lot bump, slow down. Take it seriously enough to protect yourself. And if your vehicle has been damaged, bring it to Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona for a free estimate. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com. We'll help you sort out the damage, understand the next step, and get your vehicle back looking right.